Let's get into this whole situation where the Missouri governor vows to prosecute the F12 key.
This is going nowhere.
Hit me,
I'm
Luke.
sure.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Let's talk about this.
Missouri Governor Mike Parson probably, is vowing to prosecute the St. Louis Post-Dispatch after the newspaper uncovered a security vulnerability on the department. It actually really is one. On the Department of Elementary and Secondary Education, or the DESE website. The vulnerability: Social Security numbers were being included in the source for pages served by the Teacher Credentials Lookup Portal. Horrible. Super bad. Massive vulnerability. The governor described decoding the HTML source code. Bit of a interesting phrasing there. To find this info as a multi-step criminal process. Wow! I'm going to jail! Referring indirectly to a browser's inspect element or view source function, which is, built into every single browser and is how the internet works. Big rough one there. Therefore, the state of Missouri has declared war on the F12 key. The governor followed up with a tweet saying that it wasn't a simple right-click attaching screenshots of Missouri law rather than actually substantiating this claim in any way, shape, or form. Just in case you don't know, HTML is what is sent to your browser to inform your browser of how to do things. It is public. It is interpreted by your browser. That is why things like ad block and whatnot, other stuff can kind of work, because it is interpretation of what is sent to you. That's why things can look different on different browsers, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. The server should not be sending this info to begin with. We're talking about the social security numbers. It shouldn't be sent in any way, shape, or form, obfuscated or not, encrypted or not, doesn't matter. That should not be sent. I don't want the encryption key for my social security number to be sent through HTML on someone's webpage. That would be really stupid. That'd be horrible. Even if it's encrypted. Just why?
Anthony's discussion questions on this are amazing. How far could this go, seeing as Governor Parson seems to be doubling down on being an out-of-touch Luddite? Can HTML source code provided by a web server ever be considered private information? Could this be legislated? It's a good question, too. And perhaps most importantly, should journalists be prosecuted for discovering vulnerabilities and disclosing them to the public?
It's like an author putting someone's social security number in the index of a book and then being like, "You're not supposed to look there.
Don't look at that.
That's illegal."
That's illegal.
I don't know.
You don't have permission to have it.
This is ridiculous. There's no way this goes anywhere. I can't believe he doubled down. I can.
Why are you surprised by this? Like, in politics, there's basically two ways of behaving. One is you acknowledge you made a mistake and fix it. And the other is to do what politicians do.
Double down.
You double down.
Make some drama.
I mean, to be clear, not all, and I'm not gonna get into any kinds of generalizations, but it doesn't surprise me that much.
Yeah,
is what I'll say about that.
It's disappointing. Hopefully, if this goes any further than it has already gone, it gets immediately thrown out by someone with an ounce of reason.
Can I just say that I am determined to not be this out of touch to my kids? I will not accept it.
Yeah, it takes some action though, right? Like, especially when you get to the point of retiring. Like there's that whole thing about where a lot of people's health just like tanks the second they retire because they just stop doing anything. They stop thinking about anything. Yeah. They just like shut down, and humans don't really work that well in that environment. So you just got to keep doing stuff. All right. My mom, I don't know if she's watching this, is taking an IT course.
That's pretty cool.
It's crazy. And she's like actually doing pretty okay. She published a website.
I love it.
It's pretty simple, but it's there. It's cool. She knows more about HTML code than this guy. Nice.
Oh, yeah. All right. Man, that almost felt like our Regular Show reference. Did you ever watch Regular Show?
No.
Oh, okay. There's this character, Muscle Man, and his punchline for like every joke is instead of your mom, it's my mom. It's like, you know who knows HTML code better than this governor? My mom. Yeah, pretty much.